midnight road. I was dreaming in the backseat. Then I woke up to the sound of waves, morning light surrounding me. Ocean breeze, salt in the air, golden sunlight everywhere. I didn't know back then, but love was waiting there. The sound of waves still lives in me, like a summer memory, calling from the sea. Morning sky, morning glow. Some things never really go. Father standing by the shore, coffee warming up his hands, quiet like the early wind, watching over everything. I was young, I couldn't see how much love surrounded me. Now the ocean brings it back every time I breathe. Summer light, endless blue. Somehow it still feels like you. The sound of waves comes back again through the sunlight. Sky